Okay, turn this on. Let's see if the thing come up. And look, you'll see the temperature start rising. I don't even do anything yet, and it just starts rising. See? No matter what I do. Let's see. Prepare. Where is it? No, it's not there. Control. Temperature. Set to 0, see? See, it keeps rising. It will rise all the way to max temperature. Yep, definitely a problem. And it's getting hot already, you can feel it. Oh, yep. So using the printer, I decided to do the 3D Benchy benchmark test. The arches over there are done very well without support. There is some minor droopage there, but it doesn't really affect the print at all, and it still looks very nice. Printing at 2mm or 0.2mm height feels very nice and smooth. It's very uniform. In the roof there, you can see that there's stringing kind of back and forth, but that's how the 3D print is, being an unsupported arch. Overall, the detail is very good. It was very easy to set up, and I've dropped it, but it's a very good printer to be able to do this so well, in my opinion.
So see, the bed is heating, and it seems to be heating to the nozzle temperature, or trying to, and it's going to force and throw a heating air.
Just don't live, but you gotta leave time.
Then the Ender 3 V3 SE did a real good job on this one.